Om Shri Sai Ram, Prashanti Nilayam, the abode of Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba, a holy land where millions have found and continue to find their divine anchor. As a tribute to Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba and his selfless service to mankind, the government of Andhra Pradesh has now created the Shri Satya Sai district with Puttaparthi as its headquarters.
आध्यात्म को उन्होंने जन कल्याण की ओर चैनलाइज किया था। उन्होंने अध्यात्म को सेवा से बांधा था, एजुकेशन से बांधा था, परिवर्तन की ओर बांधा था।
His message that Manava Seva is Madhava Seva, service to man is indeed service to God, has taken shape of mammoth humanitarian projects. The super speciality hospitals set up by Bhagwan have so far performed close to 4 lakh advanced surgeries and have treated close to 6 million patients completely free of charge. The Shri Satya Sai Drinking Water Project has provided safe drinking water to over 1,600 villages through nearly 3,000 kilometers of pipeline and modernized the Telugu Ganga Canal, which carries water to the city of Chennai. Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba emphasized that education should be focused on character building. Thousands of students continue to receive value-based education of the highest quality, absolutely free of charge even today in the educational institutions established by Bhagwan. The Shri Satya Sai organization has over 6 lakh volunteers from over 460 districts across the country from every walk of life and profession. Every day, over 1 lakh people are served food by the volunteers of the organization in India and many more around the globe. In partnership with the government of Andhra Pradesh, the trust has embarked on a massive project of providing ragi malt, a millet-based nutritional supplement, thrice a week to 3.8 million students studying in 44,392 government schools covering the entire state of Andhra Pradesh. The Shri Satya Sai Central Trust has commissioned the Sai Mitra project, one of the largest installations of solar-powered plants, by a charitable trust having a capacity of 6.3 megawatt. The Shri Satya Sai Premataru project involves the planting of trees across India and the globe. In the next 2 years, 10 million trees will be planted to mark the centenary celebrations of Bhagwan's advent. Today, the Sai movement has spread over 125 countries. In the year 2020, the United Nations Economic and Social Council accorded the Shri Satya Sai Central Trust a special consultative status for its humanitarian services. Prashanti Nilayam is now blessed with another shining gem, the Sai Hira Global Convention Center. Aesthetically designed, state-of-the-art in function, this edifice will give spiritual seekers and aspirants an opportunity to connect with Prashanti Nilayam. The center, powered by solar energy, has 2 auditoriums, a 300-seater and a 1,000-seater, both equipped with state-of-the-art audiovisual systems and teleconferencing capabilities. The Sai mission is unceasing and ever-expanding.
और मैं आज बड़े गर्व से कहता हूं कि बाबा का शरीर तो हमारे के बीच नहीं रहा, लेकिन बाबा का संदेश उतनी ही ताकत से आज भी समाज के सामान्य से सामान्य व्यक्ति को प्रेरित करता है, प्रभावित करता है।